So let's start. Sorry, I got a cold. Bad cold. Okay, let's start. Thank you. So this is the game between me and Mr. Bonnet. Actually, the opening. I have to tell you that there is some little mistake on my mouth. So I misclick here. I supposed to play this one, and I don't know why suddenly it's come here, and I just press it and really bad. I play here, so okay, I will continue because this is my opponent is not a 5-dan player, is not a professional player, so the game will I can recover this. I can recover this. So I continue to play, and in this area, I think usually you can play this one. Listen, so this is my recommendation in this area. I hope I hope you will play this because this is the best choice for black. Okay, so play this one, and white successfully got a really big corner. So this is not really good for black, but actually you played good. And until now, the opening seems normal. Okay, seems really normal. I think in this area you played good, but actually you made one mistake in this area. I think maybe you should just extend because your shape is not really steady. You play this one, and I can just got this. So your group now the liberty of your group is really tight. You play this one, and I can got this in the future. So Mr. Bonnet, I recommend you just play this one. Therefore, you are keeping attack. You keep attacks me. You are keeping be really thick, okay? And also you got something like this one. So this is my recommendation, okay? G4 for you mean this one? Yes, I suppose that you need to play this one. Yeah, G4 is just for this. It's not easy for white to handle it because you see, you play this one, I can just capture you inside. But if you play G4, it's not easy for me. It's not easy for me to capture you. Atari extend. Now you got this Atari and this Atari. So this is not really good for me. And this one is just for prevent. If I play this one, you Atari, and there is a really bad call for white. If white lost the call, I think white will lost the game. Okay. So I play this, and I think this move is a little bit. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. And let's see what is not a good choice for you. Aha. Actually, this one is what I really regret. I really regret to play this. I think I need to reinforce in the middle, then white is leading because you got about 25 on the right side, 10 points, 11 points on the bottom, 36, and 40, 50, 60 in total. 10, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I got 60 as well, and seems white is okay. And I think, Mr. Bonnet, you played very good in this area. I think I'm really surprised you play this connect. If I extend, I think you can just kill everything of white in this area. And your connect, when you connect, I just stop here and I'm seeking for my best move because I think I will lost the game because I cannot play this one and you can just push and push. White is really dangerous. White is really dangerous. And I think this move you just gave me a chance to play. I think you need to play this. You need to keep attacking white because you are really thick right now, and you can attack and to get something in the middle. Because if I play this one, something like this, you can just push, and there are so many points in the middle. So through the attack, you can get many things in the middle, and this is how you win the game. If you want to win the game, just play something like this. Mr. Bonnet, do you agree with me? Bonnet? Okay. Now let's continue. And seems after that, you see, you got about 5 points, but I got more than 5 points in the middle. And now the game is totally reversed. Okay, the game is totally reversed. And you cut me. This is I think this cut is not really good because after you cut, I can successfully get into your territory. Now black is in dangerous. Black is really dangerous, and you see I got this as a centi, and I got everything in the middle. So after that, you lost the game, Mr. Bonnet. Okay, so the most important play is that you push and got these 2 stones, only about 5 points or 6 points, but I successfully got into the middle. That is like you got a tomato, I got a big watermelon. So this is your lost. Okay, this is your lost. So I hope that you can uh, accept this result. Not accept this result. You can understand what I mean in this area because sometimes uh, capture stones is useless than getting a big territory. You know, if you cut, the game is totally different. If you cut, the game is totally different. Okay, this is really important. Hello, Mr. Bagash.
Hello,
Hello.
hello.
And Mr. Bonnet, do you have any other question? If no, we will review the game between Mr. Bagash and Miss Lily. Because I think we are going really fast. And do you have any question? I think if you have question, just raise it and just ask it. Because this is my game, so I know where is more important. One question. Okay. I will give you the control, and you just put your question on the. Aha, this area. Very interesting question. Yes. So I will get back my control, and first let's see if you descend here and there is one letter shishu. Who is better? Who is good in the shishu? Let's make this rate first because this is complicated. I think you have rated and white is better. So you cannot capture the white stones. Therefore, when you descend, I block. The only move for you is what? Where is your only move, Mr. Bonnet? Where is your only move? Q2? Nope. If you play Q2, I will capture your stones. Therefore, the only move of you is Miss Mirta, Mr. Bagash. Do you know where Black should play? We can take some times here because this is really good question, and really important area. R2, I would put here as 2. Okay, yes, I saw the correct answer. That is this move because if white played this one and you can successfully get a Sente, white collapsed. But what white should do? Mirta, what should white do? R5 and sacrifice. But if you play R5, this is not really good. This sacrifice is painful. So for white, the best move is Atari, connect, and sacrifice now. And make a good shape here. This is what white should do, okay? This is what white should do. Okay, everyone remember this Joseki? Descend, block, make this clump, Atari, and this sacrifice. But this only works, this variation only works when this letter is good for white. It's good if it's good for black, white dies. Okay, Mr. Bonnet, do you have any questions? Any questions? Okay, good. I will uh, save it into our game. Okay, so Mr. Bagash, where are you? I think you are quit. You quit.